Hello and welcome to this special segment from Sigma Central Europe Media Lounge. My name is Emanuele Frascadore and today I have the pleasure of speaking with Tatiana Botskina, CEO of Deriskly. How are you today, Tatiana?
I'm good, thank you, Emanuele.
Thank you so much for joining us. AI has been one of the hottest topics this year, especially with how it transforms communication across industries. So I'm really excited to dive into this with you. And I'm curious to see AI is reshaping how brands communicate with customers, especially in high regulated sectors like finance. How do you see the balance evolving between personalization, brand consistency, and compliance in customer communications?
That's an excellent question. We're entering in the era of hyper-personalization, where we will see customers interacting more with AI than with humans. And that's where the biggest risks lie, in bridging gap between what customers actually want to hear, what brands want to say, and what they are legally allowed to say. So this subtle difference can be bridged together using AI. AI can understand customer needs better by analyzing intent, context, and also financial literacy for complex products, and give suggestions in the way in which customers understand better the products, the value they bring, while helping companies to communicate the value in a voice that is highly aligned with their own brand identity.
Yeah, that's an interesting perspective, and I can definitely see why that balance is so crucial for brands at operating scale. But how are companies using real-time insights into customer feedback and product performance to make faster, more meaningful decisions that strengthen trust and retention?
Financial services firms and technology companies sit on enormous amount of unstructured data. This data is highly underused. Imagine if this data can be turned into operational engine that gives companies recommendations on what to do, how to mitigate risks, identify systemic risks within the entire organization, improve customer experience, and improve profit margins. That's what our AI can do. It can give you recommendations on what to do next, how to improve customer experience. It sees bigger picture behind every type of feedback, complaint, and customer communication. So decisions that were previously done across multiple departments, such as compliance, customer support, and product, now can be made using AI as one source of truth, helping companies to see the bigger picture behind every data point.
Yeah, and like that, I think that data becomes not just a measurement tool, but a trust building mechanism, basically. So that's good to hear. And as customer expectations for clarity and transparency continue to rise, what do you see as the biggest communication challenges for financial and technology brands, and how can AI help overcome them?
Last year, we conducted research and asked customers to rank the clarity of communications with financial services firms. What we found is that on average, 25% of content on the websites of financial services firms is not clear to customers. What does it mean? It means that many customers don't understand what they are signing up for.
Yeah.
And this creates huge compliance risks and also leads to mistrust. So how we can resolve it? We also found that a higher number of unclear paragraphs is positively correlated with higher number of complaints. So the way how companies can prevent complaints from happening is to ensure that they communicate the value of their products in a clear way, keeping balance between simplicity while not oversimplifying or misrepresenting their products. And that's where our AI solution can help this to bridge this gap. by measuring clarity of communications, compliance, and also adapting communication to customers' level of understanding their genuine intent and context behind their personal situation and request.
Yeah, absolutely agree. And just like that, transparency has really become the new currency of credibility. Finally, how do you envision AI-driven communication tools influencing the way global companies build long-term relationships with customers in increasingly digital and automated environments?
I believe that AI will make relationships more trust-based and context-aware. So AI will become an infrastructure and intermediate layer between people and institutions. AI will be able to understand intent of the user and the product offering of the companies,
Yeah.
bridging them together. So I believe that if AI is developed responsibly, it will be a trust layer that is so needed by many corporations to articulate and explain the value of their products to customers that really need their product. So instead of building so-called recommender engine, every customer will not be part of a segment group. Every customer will get access to personalized offering that reflect their personal situation and their personal preferences. I think AI is a future of the world where we as humans will be able to get the biggest value we can get from all offering in the world.
That's a fascinating vision for the future. Thank you for sharing that. Tatiana Botskina, CEO of Deriskly, thank you so much for being with us today, for sharing your insights. They've been very, very helpful. And we hope to see you again soon. Thank you so much. We're looking forward to seeing the next steps of Deriskly.
Great. Thank you so much for
You're
inviting
welcome.
me.
My name is Emanuele Frascadore. You're watching Sigma Central Europe. Stay tuned for more conversations about innovation. Thank you very much.